so here's some pine shapes. So this absorbs the poop. It's bedding for them, so when they poop, it goes in and it doesn't hurt them. So yeah, we're gonna put some bedding in. It's gonna take a minute.
I know what I would do.
What? Just pour it?
Don't pour all of it in.
Alright, so now we gotta put the food and water in. That there. Alright, take the water. Put this right here. Move that over a little. Put it there, and boom.
Alright, what else we gotta do?
We have to plug the heat lamp in, so this is so they can get warm nights, because it's going to be pretty cold when it's February, so plug that in. Now we got to move them in, guys, so let me grab them.
Let's show the box.
Yeah, so here they are. Get them little quick.
And what kind, do you know what kind of chickens we got?
No, sir.
We got Buff Orpingtons.
Buff Orpington.
Mostly we got boys because we want to eat some of them. These are good homestead chickens because they're good for meat and they're good for eggs and they still go broody. They make really good mamas. We ordered these a couple weeks ago. They shipped Monday and we got a call Wednesday morning at like 8 o'clock. Says your chickens are here. So pretty quick. We ordered 36. They gave us one extra. And looks like one died in shipping. The eggs were like $80, and we got all new this year.
I'll show you one close up.
Okay, just one real close up.
There's one. Hey, little buddy. They're cute as flip. They're cute things on planet Earth, in my opinion.
What about baby goats?
They're about even.
They're about even. But we got all new, and the shavings, and the bedding, and the medicated feed, and the light, and the metal trough. It was $110.
And speaking of packages,
$200.
Speaking of packages, I got my package yesterday.
What'd you get yesterday?
Got my Vietnam jungle boots.
Vietnam jungle boots. This is probably a different video though, huh?
Yeah. Hey, buddy. You're the last one.
Now, is he the last one?
Well, last one on that side. And now here's tons more. Alright, guys, come on. Two at a time. Come on. Let's go.
So our metal cage, Country Line, which is like Tractor Supply brand,
Looks
I
like
think it's 4 foot long by 1 foot high by 2 foot wide.
a lot of them died in here.
For real? I thought there was just one.
There's one. There's one in here, one in there. I think there might be another one. I'm not sure.
And we paid a little extra to get them vaccinated for Merrick and for coccidia, I think.
Yeah, there's just one in here.
Just one dead.
Yeah, so just two.
Just two dead.
Yeah, because there's one in here, one in there. Alright, I'll go these other ones to the dogs.
All right. Thank you.
Well, here they are, guys. Bye.